You search for how to buy shares of China Railway Group, a major infrastructure and rail construction company listed on the HKEX under the ticker 039OHK. This video is educational only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can make a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker 039OHK to find the listing. Make sure you select the entry that corresponds to China Railway Group on HKEX. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is the right stock. Verify the market shows HKEX and the ticker displays 039O, HK to be certain. Tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. For convenience, a link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.